guys, today we're back, and right now I'm just watching TV, eating candy, and drinking my soda, and drinking Sprite. I'm watching the Music World Gumball. Everybody's asleep right now, but I'm making this video because, so yesterday I had practice. And it was so hot in there, it was so hot that my feet start to sweat. That's when you know it's hot. If your feet start to sweat, it's very, 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 very hot. And we got to eat brownies, so that was a good thing. And on July the 4th, which is the day before yesterday, we got to see flowers, we got to pop them, do all kinds of stuff. And so that's what I haven't been posting, like videos and stuff like that. Like, I haven't been posting videos a lot because it's just I can't, I don't be able to make it because I be sleepy after practice, or if I'm not at practice, then I'm with my godmama, or I'm with my mama, or or I might be playing with somebody. That's why I don't I'm not posting. I think this is my first ever video. So please give it a like and subscribe. Comment down below in the comments if you liked it or not. And make sure you say hashtag prank squad. No, hashtag Sprite Club Squad. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Goodbye, my little chicken nuggets.
That's the money. It's got my cake box in it.